Hit the wrong button on the phone. Doesn't matter. So, didn't take long. Here's the 120 grit sandpaper. Still got the same sandpaper I used the other night. Anyway, goes far. Now we'll look for the old arrow was there. Right, you can't see it. And then I had a second arrow there somewhere. Maybe there. Yeah, there it is. So basically the first arrow was indicating where the gouge was, and then there was like a little hairline. I wasn't sure if it was part of the carbon weave or something, but I wasn't sure, so I've put another arrow saying it was going that way from there. The good thing is let's get this terps again. Drop some on the floor as well, as you do. Let's give it a clean. Clean it. Right, yeah. Turn. Let's just, I'll do a better job cleaning it just to see what the outcome is here. Yeah. Right. Alright. Yep. It's looking pretty good. So I'm not trying to fix the actual mast at this point. I'm trying to fix the gouges, because the carbon's having to go on top, creates a strength. So you don't want the gouge sort of going across like that, or your carbon going over. So don't forget I use a carbon weave, a bit of arrowdite, and what's this here? Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Probably a bit of the carbon fibre I put the other night, hanging out a little bit. But that's pretty good. No longer rough. Perfect as. But I'm still going to reinforce. I don't know what happened underneath. Once you get a ding, you're never sure. Well, let's get it in focus. Go from there. Also, just in case you're wondering, when I used the heat shrink tape, even though I had glue, still got it here, and then I just flicked it with my finger before, and out it came. So it got really tight. Look how tight it is. It was up here somewhere. I had to really flick it out, but you can see how it's compressed. So when you use the heat shrink tape, go to your local electrical store, not electrical store, electrical component store. They've got this tubing, so it does the trick. Or maybe a kayak store might have it, because you know they might repair these things. 50 mils a trick. So I did check. Got a standard diameter mast. Here we go. This is the 50 mils. As big as I could find anyway. And you only get this sort of size, which isn't great. Standard diameter mast. Right, the base of it. I guess this is an old school mast. Old school. Is it the bottom? I don't know. Yeah, I think no, it's not the bottom. Here we go. Get that one. All right. Yeah, that'll be the bottom. Actually, this is not going to be very good because I now I've got the garage door here. Right. Oh, yeah, all right, let's go around here and do it. Pull this out. One hand. It can't be that hard, can it? Oh, there. Look. All right. Got it off. I'll just show you. This thing isn't going to go to the bottom of your standard diameter mast. It will on the others, on the reduced diameter. It just doesn't quite go on. But let's take this out. Still hit the back of the garage door. Anyway, not to worry. Let's approach it from the top, and we'll see how far down 50 mil takes it. That way you've got an idea of what's going on. Through this here, all one-handed. Alright, and we'll sort of put it on pause maybe, get it down. So I've only got one hand. Tripod? No. I'm going to make it halfway, I think. I won't pause. Here we go. There we go. It's going in. Yeah. Let's do it like this. So you're not going to get too far down with 50 mils on an old standard diameter mast. Oh, maybe I'll stand it up and put a bit more pressure, but then you're going to think you're having to compress the carbon and all that sort of stuff. So there it goes down. About there. You can push it further, but it's just the example I'm giving you. So you know, if you're buying a 50 diameter sleeve with heat, for an electrical component store. That's how far down you gotta go. So what would I do, I suppose, if I wanted to wrap it there? Maybe I'll cut it, get another piece of this, and sort of maybe then use this thing, this tape. Let's open it actually. I haven't had a look. Let's have a look at what this tape looks like. There it is. Take it out. It can't be that hard. Maybe it is. Everything's difficult one-handed. Right, got it out. What's this thing? Oh, then they've rewrapped it. Alright, rewrap this thing here. Take this out. Sunshades are good to put under your boards in the car because you sort of lay. This car's good because that sort of lays down, that lays down. And actually I'll show you a neat feature why this is a good windsurfing car. It's got this thing here. It's got levers. You probably need two hands. Let me put this down. Sorry, a bit black. Oh, we're back. This thing, look, so it goes down. The front seat goes down. There it is. I think I might even be able to move it further back. So if you sort of, yeah, this is a good windsurfing car. You don't have to use those things. Use this. So yeah, the back seats go down. That's that right. This will go down. No, let's just do it. There we go. There. And there you go. So ball goes straight through. How good's that for suburban windsurfing? And then of course you'll put the